Welcome to Roveel, a dashboard reporting tool for Sage. We thought we'd just put together a few tips and tricks to help you get started navigating your way through the dashboards. After the initial sign-up process, it's worth noting that you can always log into the platform via our website at www.roveel.com. We would recommend bookmarking this page in your preferred browser, like this, for easy access. As the platform is a web-based application, the dashboards are accessible from any desktop, tablet or mobile from anywhere in the world. Whether you're on the road with a customer or sitting at home on the sofa, you can access the dashboards from anywhere with an internet connection. Once logged in, on the left-hand side, we can immediately see a selection of Roveel's out-of-the-box dashboards. I can instantly navigate between the dashboards by selecting the relevant section and opening the dashboard from the menu. From customer and product sales analysis to credit control and the financials, the out-of-the-box dashboards are ready to go, without any delay, setup fees or training required. Let's take a look at the Sales Overview dashboard. Here we can see a selection of bar charts that split down the customers, products and product categories in the Sage dataset. If I see a customer I want to investigate, instead of running a separate report, I can just click and the dashboards update with the data from that individual customer. All the graphs are interactive and are a part of Roveel's drill-down functionality. This functionality is also very useful in the P&L dashboard. For example, if I'm in a management meeting and I need to find out why, let's say, advertising is up, by the time I've found out the reason using a traditional report, the conversation may have already moved on. By simply right-clicking and showing transactions, I can instantly display and sort the data to uncover the answers to those all-important questions right there and then. Going back to the sales overview, if I take a look at the three dots menu found in the top right-hand corner of all the graphs, we can also find a few useful features for taking a closer look at the data. From this menu, I can go into full screen mode, export the graph out as an image, view the data as a table, or export as a CSV into Excel. Moving to the top right-hand corner of the platform, I can also find Roveel's versatile date comparison tool. This is a powerful reporting feature that gives you the flexibility to analyze and compare any periods in the dataset. As an example, let's say 2019 was a bad year for my business, and I want to assess my 2020 sales figures against my last good year of 2018. By utilizing this feature, I can instantly compare and contrast any two date ranges to find the answers to this question without having to manually compare a number of separate Excel reports. We would also recommend using our flexible filter tool. This is a powerful and easy way to instantly populate the dashboards using the criteria you need to see. To do this, simply click the top right-hand filter button and select the desired filter options. As an example, if I only wanted to analyze just two of my customers, such as A1 Design Services and Care Limited, after I hit apply, Roveel will instantly show the data for just these two customers. Using the filter tool, I can also utilize the power of the product categories, customer and product analysis fields inside Sage. Here on this demo dataset, I have allocated Customer Analysis Field 2 to sales reps. So if I select one of my sales reps, Malcolm, the dashboard will instantly populate with those customers that have been allocated to him. These fields are invaluable for understanding the product mix, sales patterns and trends, and really enhances Roveel's reporting capabilities. For instructions on how to set up these analysis fields inside Sage, please check out our frequently asked questions articles found in the description. If I want to add Malcolm or any other member of my company to Roveel, I can do so at no extra cost by going to my company's drop-down menu and selecting People. With just a simple password email, they have instant access to the dashboards, and away they go. I can also control which dashboards users can access under permissions. As Malcolm is a sales rep, I only want him to have access to the sales dashboards and not the rest of the dataset. Finally, if you can't see a dashboard you would like for your business, please let us know by typing in your request here on the Request Dashboard button. Roveel offers a bespoke custom dashboard service that builds a dashboard bespoke to your specific business requirements. As long as the data is in Sage, it is something that we can build. For more information on pricing and a list of example dashboards, please get in touch. We hope you enjoyed getting to know some of these features. You are now well on your way to utilizing the power of Roveel's reporting capabilities.